from our voice and what we're interested in and what we're doing. Probably the biggest thing for me to take away is to the gatekeep on there, because if I don't specify, like, don't lie, don't make anything up, don't like, I
Hmm.
have to have those parameters on there, because even when that model change happens, even if it's a small degree change, it seems like it wants to, it wants to just go, oh yeah, well, we can say this. In fact,
Yeah.
uh, it's just one of those things to be aware of. And it always says it at the bottom of the Claude warning. AI could be wrong. It can lie. It really does. It just wants to please us so bad. So I'm super excited about this. So thank you for sharing that. Anybody else have questions about the process or setting it up or want to share? That's cool. Hey, well, I'm going to say this. Thank you again, Gina, for the impromptu share. That's awesome. You
Mhm.
always have some nugget of gold there that